If you're running Snapchat ads to your WordPress store and your reported conversions don't match your real sales, you have a silent scale killer. Most advertisers think their creatives are failing, but the truth is often much simpler. Your tracking is broken. In the world of high-performance ads, data is the only fuel that matters. If your tracking is broken, your scaling will always fail because you're forcing the algorithm to guess. Today, we're going deep into how to fix your signal once and for all. The standard Snapchat pixel is browser-based. It relies on the user's browser to send conversion data. However, with the rise of privacy-first browsing, ITP and other restrictions are now standard. Cookies that used to last 30 days are now being purged in 24 hours. It's not just browsers. Ad blockers are now used by nearly 40% of users, removing tracking scripts before they even execute. This means your dashboard is missing half the story. You are literally flying blind with half of your conversion data missing. Then there's iOS. Since the app tracking transparency update, user opt-outs have decimated browser-based tracking accuracy. A customer buys from your WordPress store, but because of an iOS restriction, Snapchat never receives that signal. Your ROAS looks lower than it actually is. This leads to a dangerous cycle. You think a campaign is underperforming, so you turn it off. In reality, that campaign was profitable, but you didn't have the data to prove it. You're killing your best ads because your tracking is lying to you. Most WordPress stores rely on standard client-side Google Tag Manager. While GTM is powerful, client-side implementations are now easily defeated by modern privacy tools. It is no longer enough to just paste a code and hope for the best. Your infrastructure is leaking data. When the Snapchat algorithm receives incomplete data, it cannot optimize properly. It starts optimizing based on partial, low-quality signals. This creates unstable scaling, where one day is great and the next 3 are disasters. Partial signals destroy long-term performance. The solution is first-party server-side tracking. By moving your tracking from the browser to your own server, you bypass these restrictions. This is the foundation of the Snapchat Conversions API, or CAPI. Your server talks directly to Snapchat's server. The key is a properly structured data layer. We capture the conversion data on your WordPress server at the moment of the transaction. This data is then sent to a Google Tag Manager server container where it is processed, cleaned, and deduplicated before reaching Snapchat. This restores your lost signal. By sending server-side events with high match quality scores, you give the algorithm the rich data it needs. Lost events are recovered, deduplication ensures accuracy, and your matching improves across the board. When your tracking is accurate, your scaling becomes predictable. You're no longer guessing which ads work, you have data certainty. The algorithm can finally do its job, finding more customers at the lowest possible cost. This is how professional brands scale. I'm Arif, a web analytics and conversion tracking specialist. I specialize in building these first-party data pipelines for e-commerce brands. I don't just install pixels, I fix the underlying tracking infrastructure. Whether you're on WordPress, Shopify, or BigCommerce, I implement server-side GTM and custom data layers that ensure your Snapchat, Meta, and Google ads are optimizing on clean, verified sales data. Data integrity is the only way to scale reliably. If your tracking is inaccurate, you're literally burning your ad spend. It's time to stop guessing and start measuring. Fix your data, fix your optimization, and fix your performance. Don't let privacy updates dictate your success. Visit my website or message me today. Let's get your WordPress tracking fixed the right way and get your scaling back on track. I'll see you on the other side.